By the powers vested in me as Pro-Chancellor, I declare this congregation open for the awarding of degrees and diplomas of the University of South Wales, and I invite the Vice-Chancellor, Professor Julie Lydon, to address the congregation. Please be seated.
Pro-Chancellor, graduates, honoured guests, congregation. It is my great delight to welcome you on this special day. Formally, it is our academic recognition of your considerable talent and a collective celebration of your individual endeavour. But it is also our opportunity to say thank you to everyone else here who supported you. So during this ceremony, there's going to be a lot of clapping and whooping and cheering. And that's an order from the Vice-Chancellor. So I thought we might do a quick rehearsal to see how good you are at this. So after 3, 1, 2, 3. I think that was fine form. What do you think, Stuart?
Well, I think we could do a bit better.
Oh, you think so? Oh, a challenge thrown down. So I will bow to my colleagues' advice here. Shall we have another go? And even louder cheers and whoops. 1, 2, 3. And we're very happy for you to continue cheering and whooping as our students come across the stage. So, as you are graduates of this university, you are the latest learners in a line that goes back to 1841 and has its roots much earlier. Our story at USW goes back to the early days of the Industrial Revolution, when some far-sighted leaders of business and their professions created small specialist institutions of higher learning to educate the brightest minds of their younger generation. They would be proud now to see how their small colleges have grown into a major international university. A university that adds value to our society, to our economy, and most fundamentally changes the lives of bright people like you. You are part of a vigorous academic community of all nations and beliefs. The graduates who have gone before you are already making their mark, whether they studied arts or business, humanities or sciences. Across Britain and many countries around the world, there are graduates of your USW leading businesses and becoming experts in their professions. They are engineers, sports professionals, artists, politicians, teachers, entrepreneurs, business leaders, police officers and nurses, but to name but a few. They all have something in common that goes beyond their success in work. They know, as we do, that having a degree also has a deeper function. Graduates like you have developed the healthy scepticism and flexibility of thought that we hone through a university education. You have challenges, but you also have unparalleled opportunities to make a difference. And more than that, every one of you has talent. Every one of you has intellect. And every one of you has commitment and the capacity for hard work. And now you have the qualification to prove it. So as I start this ceremony, I'd like you to remember 3 things. You deserve to be here today. Your hard work is a real credit to you, and we are all very proud of you. My sincere congratulations, well done, and thank you.
Gadewch iddo fod yn hysbys aelodau'r Brifysgol ac I bawb sydd yma'n bresennol y cynheiliad cynulliad o Brifysgol De Cymru ar y campws hwn ar 11 Orffennaf 2019. Heddiw, anrhydeddwn ysgolheigion sydd wedi profi dweddilliastrwydd a'i hymdrech ysgolheigaidd ei bod yn gymwys I gael ei derbyn ar gyfer graddau a chymwysterau'r Brifysgol. Drwy anrhydeddu cyrhaeddiad, gadewch i'r rieni sy'n ma'n bresennol gydnabod eu hymrwymiad a dathlu eu llwyddiant. Bydd os o'n i'n gobeithio na'n disgwyliadau ynynt gan obeithio byddant yn rhoi eu talent a'i dysg gebroni proffesiwn a'n chymunedau. Hyderwn y byddant yn cyfraniad dyfodol yn cymdeithas gyda anrhydedd a chlod. Let it be known by members of the university and all here present that a congregation of the University of South Wales is held in this campus on the 11th day of July 2019. Today we honour scholars who have demonstrated through their intellect and scholarly efforts that they are qualified to be admitted to the degrees and qualifications of the university. In honouring their achievements, let all here present recognise their dedication and celebrate their success. We invest in them our hope and expectations that they will put their talents and learning at the service of their professions and our communities. We trust they will contribute to the future of our society with honour and distinction.
Pro-Chancellor, we will present the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. For the Doctor of Philosophy, Ayad Salo Sito Al Salo in recognition of a programme of work entitled Mathematical Modelling of Smectic Liquid Crystals. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Graham Boswell, Professor Paul Roach and Dr. Alan Walker, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Liam Harry Harris in recognition of a programme of work entitled Combinational Problems on the Chessboard. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Dr. Stephanie Perkins, Professor Paul Roach and Dr. Sian Catherine Jones, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. Valentina Jordanova Valeva in recognition of a programme of work entitled Business Rule Generation for Product Data Quality Assurance. The programme was carried out under the direction and supervision of Professor Paul Roach and Dr. Ian Wilson, Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science. The Master of Science in Renewable Energy and Resource Management, Bettina Bandojo. The Integrated Master of Geography in Geography, Rowan Glyn Collier-Charlton. Christina Grezchuk. Christopher Hussey. Daniel Lewis. Shani Kirsty Morris. Miroslav Pintoflicek. The Integrated Master of Mathematics, Benjamin Patrick Carini. Tanisha Marie Crook. The MMath Project Prize is awarded to Laura Marie Johnson. Benjamin Ryan Maggs. Christian Mihai Rebiga. Andrew Vittel. The IMA Student Prize for Outstanding Performance in Final Year MMath Mathematics and Operational Research Society Undergraduate Award is made to Elizabeth Mary Millicent Williams. The Integrated Master of Science in Chemistry, Joe Chivers. The Integrated Master of Science in Forensic Chemistry, Gavin Kiernan. Callum O'Brien. The Integrated Master of Science in Forensic Investigation, Emma Louise Barrett. Mitchell Jake Collins. Keris May Feely. Heather Lauren Howells. Jessica Louise Jones. Lucia Lovell. Lauren Roberts. Amber Catherine Louise Wharton-Smith. Alicia Williams. Harry Williams. The Integrated Master of Science in Forensic Science, Jamie Alexander Lynn Davies. The Bachelor of Science in Analytical and Forensic Sciences, Kirsty Barrett. Trudy Bruford. Mark Ellis. The Certificate of Excellence is awarded to Georgia Harris. Reese Hayes. Jessica Hicks. Katie Hunter-Price. Bradley Jenkins. Julia Newell. David Owens. Lauren Prosser. Carly Richards. Alexander Whiffin. The Bachelor of Science in Animal Health and Welfare, Naomi Dicker. Georgia Fairgray. Bethan McCalmont. Martha Robinson. Shasha Tyler. Verity Watkins. The Bachelor of Science in Biology, Thomas Bellamy. Kirsty Jade Collerton. Rachel Louise Davies. Holly Dimmock. Christina Louise Fowler. Eleanor Jane Hughes. Reese Jowett. Chloe O'Connor. Award Leaders Prize for a stunning performance in BSc Honours Biology goes to Antonio Pinto. Brandon David Powell. Demi Lee Powell. Abigail Louise Rees. Emma Selden. Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, Joseph Michael Diddams. Bryony Gardner. The Royal Society of Chemistry, South East Wales Local Section Prize for the Best Third Year BSc Chemistry Student goes to Joseph Goldsworthy. Lucy Francis Ann Hearn. Andrea Cecilia Kakinu. Jamie Murray Cooper. Royal Society of Chemistry South East Wales Local Section Prize, Best Third Year BSc Chemistry Project, goes to Marta Ragu. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Biology, Breno Barreto Martinelli. Jade Kalika Geyser Wilcox. The Biotage Prize for the Best Performing Final Year Student in BSc Forensic Biology is awarded to Hannah Danielle Saunders. Amy Louise White. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Investigation is awarded to Tramel Laura Catherine Barker. No, it's not. Excuse me. Chartered Society Forensic Sciences Prize, Jade Brench. Tracy Amanda Cook. Carla Edwards. Kaylee Jo Evans. Emma George. Shorday Gulborn. Aaron John Herbert. Taylor Hill. Callum Hinder. Elizabeth Jane Hobbs. Kitty Dorothy Hovaf. Angela Innes. Bethany Jones. Kyla Jones. Tyler Jones. Lauren McBurney. Shannon Louise Morris. Gaynor Parton. Amelia Penny. Brandon Lee Pritchard. Holly Proudstreet. Hannah Rose Stanbury. Ashley Taylor. Chevon Williams. Sasha Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science, Lauren Fugue. Sherry Gentles. Natalie Hamer. Christopher Harding. Jodie Hobbs. Matthew Craig Horton. The Cansford Laboratories Prize for the best performing final year student in BSc Forensic Science is awarded to Alexandra Manetta. Priya Krishna Munasamy. Megan Anne-Marie Wookie. The Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science with Criminology is awarded to Keenan O'Day McNamara. The Certificate of Excellence is awarded to Daria Alexandra Prilska. Sorry, Daria. Bethan Roberts. Lloyd Michael Williams. Scott Williams. Samantha Rowena Ball. Amy Bishop. The Geography Prize for the student achieving the highest Geography degree award is awarded to Hannah Louise Gosling. Alice Broadley. Megan Anna Howells. Harrison Alex Jones. Lauren Abigail Jones. Megan Keywood. Morgan Nicole Livingstone. Paige Elizabeth Lord. Hopkin Matthews. Jordan Mountford. Megan Perry. Benjamin Thomas. And the Certificate of Excellence is awarded to Michael Walfo.
Fe wnawn ni nawr glywed datganiad cerddorol gan fyfyrwyr o Goleg Brenhinol Cerdd a Drama Cymru, a fydd yn graddio o Brifysgol De Cymru gyda graddau baglor a meistr mewn cerddoriaeth. We will now hear a musical interlude by students from the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Our National Conservatoire is part of the wider University of South Wales family. These talented performers will graduate with Bachelor and Master of Music degrees from the University of South Wales, and we congratulate them most warmly. And perfformio ar ein cyfer ni heddiw, performing for us today, is the Tom Dolby Quartet, and they'll be playing Down by the Riverside, I Want to Be Like You, and Under the Sea. Raddedigion, gwesteion, graduates, honoured guests, congregation, please give a warm welcome to the Tom Dolby Quartet.
love jazz musicians. They always look so pleasantly surprised when it all works out. Well, that was fantastic. On with the rest of the show. Just wait for the graduates. So, the Bachelor of Science in Geology, Stephanie Gage. Paige Harrison. Sophie Louise Hazel. Tabitha Hellard. Michael Howard. The Certificate of Excellence was awarded to Sophia Supatra Marjorie Lenny. Karen Harve Hopkin Mayer. Benjamin Mitchell Bunce. Mohammed Hambali bin Ramli. Jake Salvage. Daniel Kyle Stephenstone. Callum David John Thomas. Erin Turner Walton. Jamie Voss. Jade Wakeman. George Bailey Whitehouse. Daniel Williams. The Bachelor of Science in Geology and Physical Geography, Emily Jane Ride. Certificate of Excellence is awarded to Joseph Taylor. The Bachelor of Science in Human Biology, the Award Leaders Prize for Outstanding Performance in BSc Honours Human Biology is awarded to Olivia Edwards. Najma Jama. Michael John James. Simon Jones. Theodosia Catalari. Courtney Morris. Amy Owen. Anthony William Owen. Simona Sorodova. The Bachelor of Science in International Wildlife Biology, Sandy Arachug. Francine Baird. Zoe Byrne. Lily Rose Chandler. Josie Hannah Darkins. Jasmine Tia Davies. Jennifer Lucy Douglas. Natalie Guerrera. Victoria Sophie Hollins. Arina Krauja. Kyran Leonard. Catherine Lunn. Rhys Thomas Morgan. Charlie Denise Nicholson. Gethin Pugh. Cameron Quigley. Caramel Ritson. Lisa Sampson. Rhiannon Jade Smith. And the Award Leaders Prize for Outstanding Performance in BSc Honours International Wildlife Biology goes to Gabrielle Tiskaveki Ituti. Sorry, Gabrielle, I gave him best shot. Bachelor of Mathematics and Science. Mohammed Radiul Haq. Matthew Humphreys. Zubida Ibrahim. Aneta Kaminska. Geraint Niblet. The Chris Elliott Prize, awarded for the best final year project in mathematics, is awarded to Abigail Peters. Paige Reeves Hunt. The Bachelor of Science in Medical Sciences, Rimsha Ali. Carolyn Birkenfeld. Ana Coelho Estevens Lopez Vaz. Megan Fleur David. Rebecca Rita Francis Davies. Abby Fayen. The Award Leaders Prize for Outstanding Performance in the BSc Medical Sciences is awarded to Yanis Hanadas. Marco Jerko. Lida Kontopoulou. Oluwagbemisola Paulette Leyden-Egan. Jamie Lawrence. Aaron McKinty. Joel Price. Alex Daniela Smith. Bethany Smith. Malgorzata Sulkowska. Beatrice Colleen Vergara. Maisha Vermani. Karina Jessica Walters. Michaela Ialuri. Lucy Young. The Bachelor of Science in Natural History, Daniel Bakewell. Gregory Besant. Molly Boyd. Chloe Ann Clark. Kevin Donovan. The Certificate of Excellence is awarded to Jessica May Easton. Andrew Frost. Matthew Gash. Robert Philip Gunningham. Thomas Harries. Katie Harris. Liam Jones. Amy Lovegrove. Jetta Yarrow Oban. Thomas Reed. Elliot Snudden. Emma Nicole Spencer. Ellery Gwen Thomas. Rebecca Wellington. Bachelor of Science in Pharmaceutical Sciences. PCI Services Prize for the Best Third Year Pharmaceutical Science Project and for the Best Performing Third Year Pharmaceutical Science Student is awarded to Richard Lewis. Thomas Martin. Isabel Tabb. Stephen Walker. The foundation degree in science in analytical and forensic sciences is awarded to Georgia Beecham. Janina Kagielski-Brown. Fatu Conte. Mohanad Masood. Josh Tyler. Chloe Virgin. David Klaus Martin. Jack Wright. Dennis Vukikowski. The foundation degree in science in animal health and welfare, Taylor Ball. Chloe Bond. Eleanor Cooper. Kate Davies. Anne-Marie Hicks. Carly Kennard. Roxanne Lawson. Leanne Lloyd. Roy Taylor. For the Master of Science in Civil and Structural Engineering, Mutaba Abdallah Abdulrahman Ramed. The Bachelor of Science in Aircraft Maintenance Engineering, Mikhail V. Mesbahi. The Bachelor of Science in International Wildlife Biology, Jeka Kata Seke. For the Bachelor of Science in Forensic Science with Criminology, Katlego Sinead Malipe. Pro-Chancellor, that concludes the awards for the Faculty of Computing, Engineering and Science.
Congregation, colleagues, friends, guests, and now it's a huge pleasure for me to be the first person to call you graduates. Today has contained great moments of formal academic ceremony. For all of you in the audience, it is a moment of pride. On this platform, we've shared your pride and your tears as they crossed the stage, and they have done it. But so many of them did not do it alone. You consoled them when they were down. You lifted them up as they tried. You guided them, and you were there for them. We'd like to say thank you, and I think you all deserve a round of applause. For us on the stage, this is the highlight of the university year. There are 3,000 staff at this great university. They have taught, mentored, fed, supported, counselled, assisted, reminded, and encouraged you, the graduates. Seeing your success is why we all do it. But I want to give you the chance to clap and thank everyone who has worked so hard to enable you to achieve your potential today. But graduates, most of all, today is a celebration for you. Today is the moment that we, as an academic community, say that you are one of us, that you share our values, and that you are going next to take those values out into the world. We know from personal experience that the higher education this university provides is valued tremendously by your future employers, and the university's success in fitting its students for the world of work is a justified source of pride. Our role as a university lies fundamentally in educating citizens who will ask constructively critical questions in public life. That means helping other people to see what critical argument looks like, to see what genuine thinking is, and to explore great issues in an atmosphere of respect and positive expectation. These are the timeless values of a university itself, and we hope they are now your values too as scholars and graduates of our university. Each of you is now an ambassador for both the University of South Wales and what we are trying to achieve. Today you move from being our students to being our alumni, but you remain part of our university with our shared commitment to the transformation of lives through knowledge and education. We wish you good luck in your future endeavours. We rejoice in your success. You have earned this. Well done, good luck, diolch, and I salute you. I now declare this degree congregation of the University of South Wales closed.
Awnewch chi sefyll ar gyfer yr anthem genedlaethol os gwelwch yn dda. Please stand for the Welsh National Anthem.